Oh, wow. Wow, that's good.
Come to Papa!
How's the taste? Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton. Kamusta sa lahat? And today we are going to be making Chowking sweet and sour fish. Chowking is a Chinese restaurant, but it's based in the Philippines. Chowking can be found all around the world, including the USA, and is even owned by Jollibee. A lot of Filipino food has Chinese influence. Did you know that the Philippines has the oldest Chinatown in the world?
Okay, we're in the Philippine Chinatown.
This recipe is really easy to make. Take a look at our ingredients. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is work with our fish. Here we got some pieces of tilapia. You can also use any type of white fish. And we're gonna cut this into bite-sized pieces. We got some big, thick pieces. Now we're gonna season. Salt, pepper. Make sure to get all the seasonings that fell on the side. Now we're gonna be making the breading for the fish. Cornstarch, and the secret ingredient, baking powder. 1 egg, water. We're gonna add our mixture, salt, pepper again. Should have this consistency. We got our fish right here. We got our batter right here, and to make sure that the fish sticks to the batter, we get some flour. So we're gonna dredge. It's time to fry the fish. It's been about 5 minutes. We're gonna take it out, let it rest. Let's let this cool down so we can make the rest of the ingredients. Now we're gonna prepare the vegetables. Onion, cut diagonal. It's gonna give us the signature shape that we're looking for. Garlic, and then of course our green pepper. No waste. Don't forget the pineapple. You can use fresh or from a can. This is Dole, so product of the Philippines. Now we're going to be making our sweet and sour sauce. Brown sugar, water, vinegar, ketchup, soy sauce, and now cornstarch. To a hot pan, we're gonna add some oil and our green peppers, our onion, garlic, then our pineapple. And now our sauce. We're gonna add a little more salt and pepper. Oh, wow. Wow, that's good. Look at that nice sauce. It thickened up really good. Now we can add our fish. The fish are going for a swim in this delicious sauce. And since this is Chowking, we gotta have chicharrop or crope, which is basically just fish flavored or shrimp flavored crackers. Let me show you how to make them. So you can find these at any Asian grocery store. This is how they look. See, they're really hard, but once you put them in oil, they're gonna expand. Hold up. Just wait. Oh, here they go. Here they go. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, we made everything. Now it's time to plate. Of course, you gotta have rice. Here's our chicharrop. Oh, yeah. And of course, our sweet and sour fish. Oh, yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Look at that. It's absorbed all of it. And there you have it, Chowking sweet and sour fish laureate. Oh my gosh, look at that. Got perfect combo right here. Fish, chicharrop, and rice. Oh yeah, it looks so good. Now, it doesn't really matter how's it look, right? What matters is, how's the taste? All right, let's get started. Let's take a look at one of these. Let's see how it looks on the inside. Oh yeah, nice, fluffy. I want to try some of this with the rice. Wow, smells good. Oh yeah. The sauce is absolutely amazing, and the fish, the texture, really good. Flaky, soft. All right, let's try it with the pineapple, pepper, and onion. Wow, the pineapple is really like an explosion of sweetness. That batter really just absorbs all of the sauce, and the pepper is really good. It's a good complementary flavor to something really sweet and sour, that pepper, green pepper flavor. Can't forget about that chicharrop. Oh wow, so crispy. A nice crispy. It's perfect complement.
I gotta have more.
Wow, so brings that up. Okay guys, so that's for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below for whatever recipes you'd like to see me do next. This was really fun to make. Whenever I go back to the Philippines, I always have Chowking. It's one of my favorite restaurants, and this is something that just brings back those memories. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!